Hello friends, welcome to my fifth HTML tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to make bold and italic and subscript and superscript font. Okay, let's see. Suppose I want to bold this text, so I can use this tag and there must be an ending tag. Okay, then save the file and refresh here. Look, the platform is in bold letter. Okay, then comes to italic. Suppose I want to make YouTube as italic font, so I can use this tag and there must be an ending tag, and then save the file and refresh here. Look, YouTube channel as italic font. Suppose I want to make my first heading to as italic font, so I can use this tag. Then save the file and refresh here. Then you can see my first heading YouTube Creator for Everything is an italic font. Suppose I want to write I am in 10th class. Okay, then save the file and refresh in browser. Oh sorry, I am just forget to use line break, so I am use line breaker tag via tag, then save the file and refresh here. Okay, then okay, usually 10th were written in this just like this, so we can use superscript and there must be an end superscript. Okay, then save the file and refresh. Okay, got it. Then comes to come to subscript. Suppose I want to write water symbol is H2O. Okay, then save the file and refresh here. Okay, but usually we can return H2O in like this, so we can use subscript tag. So there must be an starting tag and ending tag. Okay, then save the file and refresh. Look, we got it, and see you guys in next video.